If you wanted to open a SIM card slot or eject the SIM tray on Nothing Phone 3A, then you will need to prepare the SIM tool, the SIM eject tool. I have mine over here. It looks a little bit different than the one that you can find inside the box, but you can use any of these. It doesn't really matter. Now, over here at the bottom of the phone, we have the SIM tray, and we have this hole here. We need to insert the eject tool into that hole, and then push it down with a little bit of force until the SIM tray pops out like this. And now, by using fingers or fingernails, you can remove the SIM tray from the phone. And after that, you should be able to insert your SIM card or SIM cards to the SIM tray. So for example, over here, my SIM 1, let's take a look. So here it says, I believe, SIM 1, the other way around. And we can also find the shape. Let me try to get the focus. It doesn't work. Oh, there we go. So we can also find the shape of the SIM, the slot. We need to simply match it. So it looks like this. And let's try to insert the SIM card. There we go. It should go in pretty easily, and at the same time it should be pretty stable. So if I now turn it around and I try to shake, it should not fall down. And in addition to that, I'm gonna also insert the second SIM card. It looks the same. There we go. This one was with a click sound, so even better. All right. So once we have our SIM cards in the SIM tray, we can put it back into the phone. So use your finger in order to push it down and make sure that the SIM tray is fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything like that. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!